Did you know that listening to specific words can positively impact your financial life? It has the potential to initiate a shift in mindset, ultimately transforming your financial circumstances. Uttering affirmations about money on a daily basis can reshape your perception of wealth. In just 21 days, tangible changes may unfold as your newly cultivated mindset begins to manifest in your life. Simply dedicate a few moments each day to watch this video in a quiet space, allowing the affirmations to resonate. Have faith in them. Consistent practice will instill fresh, positive thoughts in your mind, replacing old negative notions about money with a mindset of abundance. This routine may spark innovative money-making ideas, and your barriers to financial success will dissolve as you focus on prosperity. With each passing day, you'll notice more opportunities for financial growth. If you're ready to achieve your financial goals and adopt a different perspective on wealth, this video is tailored for you. Harness the power of I Am affirmations. Commit to this potent series for 21 days and you'll unlock the key to enduring financial freedom. Here are some affirmations to get you started. I am open and receptive to new income opportunities from both expected and unexpected sources. Speaking these affirmations empowers me to manifest financial abundance. I am a money magnet, effortlessly attracting wealth and prosperity into my daily life. I am financially free to live life on my own terms. Grateful for the infinite circulation of money around me. I am aligned with the energy and consciousness of abundance. Money flows effortlessly to me in miraculous ways, rendering me financially stable and secure. I effortlessly attract wealth and prosperity into my life, serving as a natural money magnet. Financial freedom allows me to live life on my own terms, and I continuously draw in abundance through both expected and unexpected means. Gratitude fills me for the various streams of income I receive, and I remain open to new opportunities for prosperity. Patience guides me as I trust the timing of my manifestations, with the universe supporting me in attracting abundance. Aligned with the energy and consciousness of prosperity, I find security in the knowledge that I have everything I need. As a powerful creator of financial freedom, I manifest abundance through inspired action and positive thinking. The universe consistently backs me in attracting wealth and prosperity, leading me to discover lucrative opportunities that align with my gifts. Multiple streams of passive income contribute to my financial well-being, affirming my identity as a daily money magnet. With financial freedom, I can focus on my passions, recognizing my unlimited potential to achieve financial goals and dreams. Money flows effortlessly from both known and unknown sources, and I remain open and receptive to infinite prosperity and abundance. Continuously attracting new income opportunities that bring joy and fulfillment. I am grateful for the wealth within me and around me, consciously creating my financial reality. Patiently trusting the timing of my prosperity, I understand that money is energy, and I am the flow of abundant energy. Financial freedom and security are my natural states, aligning me with wealth and success. Gratitude fills me as I acknowledge that all my needs and desires are met, and money flows easily and frequently into my life. The universe consistently supports me in manifesting abundance through multiple streams of income, open and receptive to the circulation of prosperity. I am a daily money magnet, drawing wealth naturally. Financial freedom allows me to follow my passions, and I recognize my unlimited potential to achieve dreams. As a powerful creator of financial freedom and joy, I am open to receiving abundance in new and exciting ways. The universe's unwavering support continues to attract wealth and prosperity into my life. Discovering lucrative opportunities to share my gifts with the world. I'm grateful for multiple streams of passive income, affirming my identity as a money magnet. Financial freedom enables me to focus on my passions and contribute to the world, with money flowing easily from known and unexpected sources. Aligned with the energy and consciousness of prosperity, the limitless wealth within me is acknowledged and appreciated. Open to receiving infinite abundance, I am financially secure, trusting the timing of my manifestations. Lucrative opportunities that bring joy continually come my way, and money flows easily and frequently. Gratitude fills me for the infinite circulation of prosperity, and the universe supports my journey in creating wealth and financial freedom as a powerful creator of financial abundance. Growing in new avenues for prosperity, money effortlessly flows from both expected and unexpected sources. Grateful for the freedom to follow my passions, I remain open to receiving wealth in exciting ways. Financial freedom allows me to live life on my own terms, recognizing my unlimited potential to achieve financial goals and dreams. The universe fully supports me in manifesting wealth, ensuring a continuous flow of prosperity into my life. I naturally exist in a state of abundance, attuned to the energy of success in all my financial pursuits. My life is consistently enriched as money effortlessly and frequently finds its way to me. Gratitude fills me for the diverse streams of income that secure my financial well-being. I embrace the mindset of receiving boundless prosperity and trust in the universe's guidance toward abundant resources, investments, and partnerships. Financial freedom empowers me to focus on my passions and generously share my gifts with the world. I attract lucrative opportunities consistently, expressing gratitude for the various streams of passive income in my life. I am a magnet for wealth, effortlessly drawing prosperity towards me each day. My potential to achieve financial dreams knows no bounds, and money flows effortlessly, aligning with the abundance that surrounds me. I continually attract more wealth from both anticipated and unexpected sources. Open to receiving financial blessings in novel and exciting ways, I am a potent creator of financial freedom. The universe wholeheartedly supports my journey toward manifesting abundance, ensuring my needs are met and joyfully welcoming money into my life daily. Lucrative opportunities, partnerships, and investments abound, multiplying my prosperity. The universe consistently aids me in increasing my wealth and securing financial freedom, for which I am grateful. Welcoming infinite prosperity in joyous and exciting forms, I am a natural money magnet, attracting wealth effortlessly each day from both known and unknown sources. Aligned with the energy and consciousness of wealth, the universe guides me towards diverse streams of income that bring fulfillment and prosperity. My receptiveness to new opportunities further enhances my financial freedom, and I express gratitude for the continuous circulation of money in my life, meeting all my needs with ease. I am the embodiment of unlimited potential, continually drawing lucrative opportunities that infuse joy and abundance into my life. The universe supports me in creating multiple streams of income to share my gifts freely. Financial freedom enables me to live life on my terms, and I am open to unexpected sources of wealth. Money flows effortlessly, and I approach investments with consciousness and wisdom, securing my financial well-being. Abundant prosperity defines me, with infinite wealth flowing freely in my life. New opportunities and ideas for financial freedom reveal themselves continually, guided by the universe towards people, resources, and situations that multiply my income. Gratitude fills me for the various streams of passive earnings, granting me the freedom to pursue my passions. As a money magnet, I attract wealth daily, embracing my unlimited potential to prosper. I continuously attract new opportunities for prosperity, with the universe generously providing for all my financial needs and desires. Grateful for multiple passive income streams, I live life on my terms. I remain open and receptive to unexpected financial blessings, embracing windfalls that come my way. As a conscious and wise investor, I manage the wealth and abundance I receive. Money flows easily and joyfully from both known and unknown sources. Financially secure and sound, I acknowledge having everything I need, aligning with the energy and consciousness of prosperity. Infinite abundance surrounds me, granting financial freedom to pursue passions and share my purpose with the world. I consistently attract lucrative opportunities that bring fulfillment and wealth. Money arrives at the perfect time in miraculous and exciting ways. Grateful for the financial freedom to be, do, and give as I desire, I am open to new possibilities for creating meaningful and joyful income. I act as a powerful money magnet, attracting wealth and abundance from all directions, with the universe supporting me in manifesting financial freedom. Continuously discovering new ideas and avenues for prosperity, I appreciate passive income streams that allow time for my interests. As a wise investor and money manager, I guide wealth to multiply, ensuring financial security where all needs are met and more. Acknowledging money as energy, I become the conscious creator of financial abundance. Infinite possibilities exist for me to achieve prosperity, with new opportunities continuously arising to express my talents in lucrative ways. Guided by the universe to people, resources, and ideas supporting success, I express gratitude for multiple streams of income that allow me to share my purpose and passions, remaining open and receptive to unexpected blessings and windfalls. I align with the energy and consciousness of wealth and prosperity. Infinite abundance flows freely from known and unknown sources, and I continually discover new avenues for manifesting financial freedom. The universe richly supports me in multiplying income, fulfilling my soul's desires with passive earnings that provide team for my positions. Being a money magnet, I naturally attract prosperity daily and feel financially secure, knowing all my needs are met. Open and receptive to infinite prosperity and new opportunities for expressing my purpose, I continually attract abundant income streams that bring joy and fulfillment. Wise financial investments create sustainable wealth, providing the freedom to follow my passions with ease. Money comes effortlessly and abundantly, embracing unlimited potential to achieve prosperity and abundance. I am grateful for the infinite wealth within and around me. The universe abundantly provides for every financial need and desire, presenting new ideas and opportunities to grow prosperity continually. Money flows easily from expected and unexpected sources, and I welcome financial blessings to share my gifts with the world. As a wise investor and steward of abundance, I am financially secure knowing I possess everything required for fulfillment. Aligned with the energy of abundance, I attract wealth in exciting and fulfilling ways, supported by the universe in multiplying income streams. Being a natural money magnet, I draw prosperity each day and am financially free to pursue passions and purpose. Open to unexpected opportunities for abundance, money flows effortlessly from known and unknown sources. Financial security is established, acknowledging an abundance of resources at my fingertips. Embracing unlimited potential to achieve dreams, I align with the energy and consciousness of wealth and prosperity. Infinite abundance surrounds me in all aspects of life, with the universe guiding and supporting me in attracting perfect opportunities to share my gifts and talents. Continuously discovering avenues for manifesting financial freedom, I express gratitude for both material and spiritual riches, acknowledging my limitless being with infinite potential to create the desired life. Money flows easily daily, and I am secure in my financial abundance. Reflecting on the content, how are you feeling? Have you noticed any positive changes in your life? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's embark on this money mindset journey together. Ready to witness the magic unfold over the next 21 days? Drop a comment and let's continue this transformative journey.